Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. How do you say running is very good? 跑步很好. How do you say body? 身体非常好. But how do we connect them and say running is very good for the body? Being able to say this is very helpful because you can give reasons why something is good or bad. Good for what? Or bad for what? If you ever need to sell health products, for example, to Chinese people, you find this very helpful. Remember the word 对 from the vocabulary of lesson 5? If you drink too much coffee, it's bad for health. 喝咖啡喝多了对身体不好. So we know that 对 can help us express the idea. The formula is noun, 对, noun, adjective. So running is very good for the body is 跑步对身体很好. 跑步对身体很好. Running is very good for the body. 对 also expresses the idea of treating someone well, good to someone. For example, good to the students. 对学生好. 老师对学生非常好. The teacher is very nice to the students. 老师对学生非常好. Another example, 对学汉语有帮助. Helpful for learning Chinese. 对学汉语有帮助. 看电视 watching TV. 看电视对学汉语有帮助. Watching TV is helpful for learning Chinese. 看电视对学汉语有帮助. Another example, 玩手机对眼睛不好. Playing with the phone is bad for your eyes. 玩手机对眼睛不好. What if I say this to Ken? 别玩手机了，对眼睛不好。哎，我的。刚才我说什么？玩手机怎么样？对什么不好？对眼睛不好。Bad for the eyes. Ken actually has much better eyesight than I do, despite heavy dose of smartphone use. Here's another example. Remember back in Grammar 2.5.2, we learned 还好, 还可以, both expressing it's okay, it's so-so, it's passable. 哥哥对我还好. My older brother treats me not great, but okay, good enough. 哥哥对我还好. Another one, 学汉语对在中国工作有帮助. Learning Chinese is helpful for working in China. 学汉语对在中国工作有帮助. And that's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 10, Notes number 2. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.